Welcome back. Today we'll be doing an AEROPRESS. AEROPRESS is very versatile and you can make it in numerous different methods. Today I'll be making the method that's making a little bit of a resurgence back in the Barista Championship. It will be a higher dose with a more coarsely ground coffee. Begin by bringing your water up to a boil. Trusty scale. When it comes to the AEROPRESS, there's two camps. One is the inverted method, like this. The other one is the more traditional, the original method, like that. Basically, I always use the inverted method just because you've got more control on the coffee. It doesn't start dripping through before you're done with your extraction or you're done with your mixing. So for today, we'll be using the inverted method. So just turn your AEROPRESS upside down with the plunge pot going from bottom to the top. Remove your filter basket. Put in the filter. Like I mentioned, we'll be using 30 grams of coffee today. And we'll be topping that up with 100 grams of water. And then after that, we'll be using a dilution method. So you just take the hot water and dilute the coffee until it suits your flavor. Once again, Durbanville Coffee Roastery, freshly roasted, freshly ground. The grind size for this is a medium coarse grind, almost like a plunger grind I would go. While we're waiting for the water to get to 93 degrees, always remember to rinse your filters. Water is at 93 degrees, just rinse this. Now we're going to top up the 30 grams of coffee with 100 grams of water. And then we're going to stir for 20 seconds. Put on your filter. And then we're going to remove this excess air. Turn it around. Now we're going to dilute the 60 grams of coffee to something we prefer. It's between 100 and 120 grams of extra water I add on top of it. Cereal scale. Let's taste it. Yeah, that's good. That's the AEROPRESS. Quite basic. Let's just run over the steps again. Fresh coffee, a grind on the coarser side. Water, about 93 degrees Celsius. Inverted method, rinse your paper filter. 30 grams of coffee, 100 grams of water, 20 seconds of stirring, 40 seconds of waiting, plunging, and then diluting. That's your AEROPRESS. Thank you very much. And once again, if you need anything coffee related, head over to Durbanville Coffee Roastery and get yourself some amazing coffee.